Hi, psychology students. Let's see. The bad news is if you're watching this, it means you likely did not earn credit for the course during the past quarter. Good news, there's a really good plan in place where if you do the following 3 assignments, you'll earn your 0.5 credits, okay? So this video, I'm gonna explain, the steps to make that happen. And you will make it happen after that, right? So to start off with, you're gonna wanna go back to our Psychology Canvas homepage. And as we've been doing, the assignments are listed right there on the front, right? So you'll see in bright red letters, how can I earn credit for psychology? And below are links to 3 Google Docs, one on classical conditioning, social cognitive learning, and one on personality trait theory. You'll click on it. Each doc has everything you need in there, right? So as we go through, there's questions, right? What is classical conditioning, right? There's some of the stuff here. And you'll see in letters if use Unit 4, PowerPoint 1, classical conditioning, that is the module, right? That material to answer that question. So you'll go back here, go to our modules, and you'll see it listed plainly, right? Then you'll do Unit 4, Social Cognitive Learning, answer the questions. Some of the notes here are just that. They are notes for you. If there's a video I'm going to ask you to watch, like this one on something called the Bobo doll experiment, make sure you watch it and then answer the questions. Always remember our rubric, right? No bullet points. You're to summarize things using your own voice, which means it should sound like you talking, okay? It shouldn't sound like you just copied and pasted something. Work your way through this one, and then you'll end with the questions on personality. So, and then again, I think the personality one's a lot of fun. There is some videos on it I want you to watch. This poetry stuff is more just because I think it's fun. And then down here below, and it'll end with a personality test. And I have a couple of questions for you on that. So that's it. Now, here's something I want to remind you of. This should be for somebody who has done, frankly, no work in the course, right? For whatever happened, you missed the material. I bet many of you watching this have submitted 1 or 2 of these assignments. It may be that you only need one more thing to get that credit for the course. So I would say if you're not sure, check your grade. If you're still not sure, email me. I can pull up your grade and I'll let you know specifically what you have to do to get credit for the class. And if you're watching this video, that means I know you're dedicated to doing it, right? You wouldn't be using this time unless you were dedicated to doing it. So I believe in you, right? You can't change the choices that happened earlier. You can't change what happened, what's been occurring. But from this point on, you can own this. You can change it, okay? So I'll be here to help you. And we'll make this happen.